This is a quick look at the new Meta Quest 3 headset. I also have the comfort strap with the battery, so let's unbox these. New features include better colour pass-through cameras. The power button is now on the left side of the headset. The lenses don't poke into your eyes as much, and to reduce compatibility they've moved the headphone jack to the right hand side. The design of the Elite strap for the Quest 3 is quite similar to the one on the Quest 2, however the connectors are incompatible. If you have the aftermarket foam padding for the Quest 2 Elite strap, it will also fit on the Quest 3 Elite strap. The head strap seems quite easy to change. I didn't actually read the instructions on how to do this. If you use a 40 series graphics card, then Virtual Desktop now has the option of using the AV1 encoder. Because of the additional overheads of AV1 encoding and the increased resolution of the Quest 3, you may want to drop the VR graphics quality setting to reduce the video encoding resolution. I also turn off increased color vibrance since the Quest 3 already has good colors. Changing the VR graphics quality in Virtual Desktop will affect the resolution that's displayed in Steam VR. You may need to readjust this setting. When playing, compared with the Quest 2, the Quest 3 is much clearer, brighter, and has a wider field of view. The reds and purple colours seem much more vibrant. There's still some noticeable glow from the backlight, but it's still possible to see the details in dark scenes. The tracking is very accurate. Here my hands are tracked with the index controllers and it stays aligned with the headset with a small delay. So in conclusion, I'd definitely recommend this as an upgrade to Quest 2. Leave a comment and let me know your thoughts.